Ich habe eine Schultasche. Ich habe einen Taschenrechner. Ich habe ein Buch. We've just seen 3 example sentences with school items: Schultasche, Taschenrechner, Buch. These are all examples of nouns. Nouns can be people, or places, or things. An easy way to tell if a word is a noun is if you can put a or an in front of it, like a school bag, a calculator, an apple. A or an are called articles. In German, the equivalent to a or an is ein, eine, einen. So we've got 3 words in German instead of the 2 that we have for English. In English, we use a or an depending on whether the noun starts with a vowel or a consonant, for example, an apple or a car. But in German, which article we use depends on whether the noun is masculine, feminine, or neuter. In German, every noun belongs to one of these 3 groups: masculine, feminine, or neuter. But don't get confused by the names for these 3 groups, because these 3 names, they could have been anything. They just happen to be masculine, feminine, and neuter. So each noun has its own gender, and it's got nothing to do with the gender of the person saying it. So whether it's a man, woman, boy, girl, dog, cat, whoever saying it, doesn't matter. So, well done for paying attention. Might look quite confusing at the first look, but don't worry, stick with it, and very soon you're going to be experts with all of this. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen.